Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to hook up a C-wire on your Goodman GMH95 furnace. This one in particular is a GMH950904CXAF. Alright, first thing you want to do is turn off your power. And also at the breakers, just in case. Alright, after the power is off, the next step is to remove these bolts. Or these screws rather. They're 5/16. The panel just kind of drops out like that. Before you go and touch anything, take plenty of pictures. Pictures are your friend. Take off this. And right down here in the bottom, that's your control board. And right there is your C terminal. So my C terminal is occupied by a red, probably going to my air conditioner, and then a blue wire. Looks like they might have hooked up my C wire into this harness for me and then just didn't connect it to the thermostat. So I actually might be in business. Trace up this wire. Yep. So I have a C wire coming out, and then here's the C wire from my thermostat. So all I have to do is strip this wire, connect this, and that's it. So in my example, there are 18 gauge wires. Be careful not to cut. Found this little wire nut from a light I installed a few years ago. So now, okay, that feels secure. Might as well check all these nuts while I'm in here. They all look good. Save myself a frozen pipe. So that was actually easier than I thought. If your HVAC people were not as nice as mine, there's just a C wire in here. It's blue. Unscrew that screw, stick your wire under there, you're in business. Again, make sure everything is powered off. The furnace won't run unless this safety switch is depressed. So if it's not running after you do all this, make sure you put the door back on. It has to be on, and this switch has to be pushed in. Yep, I got a solid red light. So that means the board's getting power. If you do blow a fuse, there's a 3 amp car style fuse right here. So if you're nervous about being without heat or something, buy a couple of these 3 amp fuses. Buy them on Amazon, they're cheap. You can get like a whole kit of like every fuse size imaginable for $1. Alrighty, now the hardest part I think is probably getting everything lined back up. This kind of slides in to the notch here. Your holes should line up. This one tucks under. And then, there we go, holes line up. Get that started. Alright, time for the bonus footage. Me hooking up my new Ecobee thermostat. Again, take copious amounts of photos before starting. This is really hard to do on camera without a proper GoPro head mount. But I hope this helps someone. Yellow one. White wire looks like it's butchered, so I'll go ahead and just cut that. W1. Alright, and then what's left? Red. I'm gonna guess RC. And I'll check it after I put this in here, because I'm pretty sure it's RC. I was right, it was RC. So that should be it. I should be able to plug this in, and then we'll just have magic time. Oh, helps if you turn the power on. Alrighty, I went through the whole rigmarole of setup. It's saying calibrating, heat cool disabled. Well, it eventually kicked on. The whole calibrating thing was annoying because it didn't really explain that. It should have did that should have said something during setup like, hey, I'm going to be calibrating for a minute. That's normal. Because when I Googled it, the first thing that came up was a page saying that your voltage might be insufficient. But it's cooling now, and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, hope this video helped you install. Thanks for watching.